When was the last time you gave the Tree of Life at Disney's Animal Kingdom a real good look? It's there, visible from so many viewpoints within the theme park. Yet, for most, including Nancy and I, we don't give it a second thought on most visits as we make our way to this or that attraction. So, it's time we gave it its due. Here are numerous views of the Tree of Life from different areas of Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Welcome to Nancy and Dan Travel. I am Nancy. When it comes to travel, Dan and I focus on relaxing and memorable vacations for adults and multi-generational families. We publish weekly videos mainly showcasing adult vacations to Walt Disney World, Disneyland, and cruising. As you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us on our relaxing travel adventures.
So, this is the view we all have anytime we are entering Disney's Animal Kingdom. Yet, look at the different animals which are directly before us. Easily missed, yet so beautiful. The bison, the ram, and then there's the waterfall on the lower right of the Tree of Life, adding to its majesty. Again, the same area right in front of the Tree of Life showing more animal sculptures. These are all right as you approach the Tree of Life upon entering the park. This view now starts several clips from the other side of the park, across from Discovery River. As we zoom in for a closer look, we marvel at the different animals which have been incorporated. Yes, this little guy is not part of the Tree of Life, but it's really cute and, well, we do have the Tree of Life in the background. Zooming in again for another close-up a little further along the walking path leading from Africa to Asia. How many animal renderings do you see? Leave a comment to this video naming the animals you can find on the Tree of Life. Notice that the animal renderings do not stop at the trunk of the Tree of Life. They even continue, as we see here. We hope you enjoyed this brief relook at the Tree of Life at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. There are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and
See you next time.